Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
In IPL 2023, the last match of the league stage will be played today between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Gujarat Titans. The 70th match of this season will start at 7:30 p.m. at the M Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. There is also a possibility of rain in today's match. It is very important for Bangalore to win today's match. In IPL 2023, the defending champion Gujarat team has already made it to the playoffs. Today Bangalore need to win the match to reach the playoffs. The Bangalore team is currently at the 4th position in the points table after winning 7 matches out of 13 matches. Along with this, Bangalore team's run rate is +0.18 and 14 points. Bangalore team is ahead of Mumbai Indians and Rajasthan Royals due to good run rate. Head-to-head record between Bangalore and Gujarat. Royal Challengers Bangalore and Gujarat Titans have played each other only twice in IPL history so far, out of which Gujarat team has won 1 match while Bangalore team has won 1 match. The Gujarat team is leading the race to win the title for the 2nd year in a row. The Gujarat team is at the 1st position in the league stage with 18 points from 13 matches. Under the leadership of Hardik Pandya, Gujarat has performed brilliantly so far. Chance of rain in the match between Bangalore and Gujarat. The Meteorological department has predicted 60 to 70% rain in the match between Bangalore and Gujarat. A change in weather in Bangalore will be seen after 1 p.m. Around 70% rain is expected during the match. In this situation, Bangalore's hopes of reaching the playoffs may suffer. Also read Top 5 Reasons to Watch IPL on digital platform this year. Playing 11 of both teams. Royal Challengers Bangalore Virat Kohli, Faf du Plessis, C. Anuj Rawat, Glenn Maxwell, Mahipal Lomaror, Dinesh Karthik, WK, Suyyash Prabhudesai, Wanindu Hasaranga, Karn Sharma, Mohammad Siraj, Josh Hazlewood. Gujarat Titans Shubman Gill, Wriddhiman Saha, WK, Sai Sudarshan, Hardik Pandya, C. David Miller, Dasun Shanaka, Rahul Tewatia, Mohit Sharma, Rashid Khan, Mohammad Shami, Noor Ahmed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more sports updates.